If I say the word Italy, what are the first things that come to your mind? I'm sure everyone has their own answers. Maybe it's Rome, where people want to ensure their return. Or maybe it's a magnificent Vatican City. Maybe it's Venice, one of our favorites. Riding the wooden boat like in the movie. Or stay in the iconic hotel opened in the 14th century where writers, musicians, and artists like Charles Dickens, Byron, Leonard Bernstein stayed. Maybe it's Cinque Terre and it's nearby Genoa, a magnificent port with 1,000 years of history. We love all these places, but our heart is set on one and only, the Bay of Napoli and Amalfi coast. In our videos, we'll show you a slightly different side of Italy, a side not just from the land like millions of other videos on YouTube, but a side of Italy from water. Cause I can tell you, my friends, Italians love ocean. From thousands of houses built on the edge of cliffs, layer by layer, not 1 inch away to sacrifice the perfect view. To people sunbathing on every small rock they could find to lie down. Not to mention hundreds of boats in a normal summer afternoon, with people jumping into water and swimming around, with other hundreds of small boats motoring through. The wake generated from all the directions made our catamaran like a wash machine. We hated the motion, but we loved the spirit. We wouldn't expect less. This video is our moment of when in Rome, be Roman. We jammed all the highlights into this one single video, and I hope it shows a glimpse of what city Napoli and Amalfi coast is about. More detailed videos will come out next few weeks. We stayed from the quiet coves with no one around to bustling towns interacting with locals. We sailed from one spectacular place to another, from all the people we met and helped us.
Thank you!
To culture we experienced everywhere. And of course, all the food we ate.
We share.
The journey started from San Francisco. It took us 13 hours to fly from SFO to Rome. Then we took Leonardo Express from airport to Roma Termini, a high-speed train Italia to Napoli, a metro to Beverello, a ferry to the island of Procida. Carry 80-pound luggage up the steepest stair I ever climbed. Was it worth it? Absolutely yes. I would do it again in a heartbeat. After a perfect night of sleep, we sailed out of Procida, the perfect place to start. Once voted Italy's cultural capital, a tiny island with authentic taste of Italian culture, spirit, and food. Oh, food, don't get me started. Our next stop was Ischia, a volcanic island with a splash of history, beauty, and a heartwarming dose of hospitality. Capri, what can I say? The legendary Fraglioni di Capri. We sailed across it under sail only. Then jibed as soon as the catamaran cleared the gap. From the sunrise with a backdrop like a perfect painting, to the sunset that will sure be remembered for many years. Capri was the place we stayed for the longest. The next stop was Positano, many people's favorite. A spectacular vertical town that never disappoints. Arriving at the harbor and anchoring in front of a jaw-dropping small beach that's only accessible by boat is one of the greatest experiences. We were not observing the scenery, we were part of the scenery. Positano is always busy. We were told this was a very much less crowded day due to partial road closure caused by landslide. However, if you have a magic wand like ours, with simple finger snapping, we have the whole town for ourselves. It's magic. Don't forget we have our own private beach too. Our abracadabra word is matiniero, or early bird in English. when sun went down and the vertical town lighted up, it's definitely not something we see every day. Our last stop was the town of Amalfi, the pearl of Amalfi Coast, with one in a million and the Terra Convento di Amalfi Grand Hotel, and the Duomo di Amalfi, which were begun to build as early as the 9th century. Sailing along the coastline of Amalfi is absolutely a visual feast. For us, a week of sailing the Bay of Napoli and Amalfi coast is too short. We will be back. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please check out other videos in our channel.